Hi everyone, welcome back. Now let's move on with our main menu and the production of that. So far we made quite a lot of blueprints to help our menu work together, okay, to control the blueprints. So here we got blueprints for my menu and the crosshair references as well. We also added these functions to do with when we click the button and the start button, as well as the events and everything else. Okay, so we've made good progress on this. So now, I won't do the resolution now because that's probably too complicated for at this stage. But I will do these other buttons here, and then we'll come back to the resolution options. Okay. So the instruction button is already done. It basically runs the animation, and then returns with nothing more than that. It's done. It just shows an image. And the about button, well, we click on it and it opens the DViz text, doesn't it? So I'll create an action for the button so it can link it to a specific website. Okay. Now it's quite simple. I know there are ways you can do this, like hyperlinks when it comes to websites, but how does it work in Unreal? Well, let's go to our button here and the event. Okay, so when you click, visually it's going to appear, and here I've got clicked selected. Okay, so when I click the about site button, it's going to show the DViz website, run the animation, or and all that. But we want it to be able to execute the function of actually accessing the website. So let's do that together. First thing we already set up at the start here is I left a 0.3 second delay because of the sound. So I'll do the same for every button, okay? So let's add that delay with the 0.3 second duration. Okay, so at least some time for the sound to play. And then we'll test a really simple node, which is one called launch URL. Okay, launch URL. There you go. Pretty easy, right? So what does it do? Well, it accesses the website. And here you can simply put in the website address. And it doesn't matter if it's whether it's Chrome, whether it's Opera, Firefox, whether you're on a Windows computer or Mac. You just need to add the website and it will link just like that. Okay. So all we need for us in this situation is that. Let's see what's going to happen when we play. So it's running. I can click on it. It opens up. It loads the website just like that, right? And this can be nice if you want to add maybe a portfolio to your project of, your past work or anything else, a gallery or whatever, anything that relates to your work, or maybe your studio if you work for a company. You could even include Instagram, maybe Facebook. So basically it's a URL link and you can put anything there. Perfect. So this is all sorted. Okay. Now we need to do the exit button so that we can quit the game. And just like the URL button, at this stage, this area of exiting is super simple. Okay. So let's find our exit button first of all. And when I click it, it's going to play a sound. So we need to add the same delay, 0.3 duration. There we go. And let's use a node which does what its name suggests, quit. Okay, quit game. There we go. And there are some options on it, like simply quitting or moving to the background. But for us, quitting the game is enough. That's all we need. Okay. So we set it up just like that. And it does the same as the escape key as well. But it's nice to keep it here in case people don't know how to escape. So we have got the option of doing it via the exit. Okay. So if I click, it quits. Simple as that. So that's it for this very short class. We're only missing these two functions for these buttons now. So we'll go back to the resolution in the next class. Okay. And we need to create the effects, then add the buttons. But I'll see you in the next class to talk about that.